In this section, we're going to talk about scanning things in at an item level. You can scan a UPC code. You could also scan barcoded shelf tags as long as they have your company's item number. So let's look at how that works. So let's click the items button at the top, which will bring us to a page where you can, similar to the container scanning, you can scan 30 items at a time. So let's scan a few things here. So what I'm going to do is, now I have the same item and I'm going to scan it multiple times. So imagine I'm actually scanning an item and then I'm going to scan another actual item that I have and another item. And I know I've scanned a couple of items here that purposely that are really not on this invoice because I wanted to show what happens there. So let's submit. So we've got 7 barcodes captured. I'm going to hit the submit button. And you'll see a couple things that happened here. First of all, the first item I scanned 5 times is this basic gold box king. And you'll see that I've checked in 5, but I'm expecting 6 because that's the shipped quantity on the invoice. So I'm short there. Now I could amend that in a couple of ways. One thing I could do is just simply change that entry. And if you have something where, rather than scanning something 50 times or something like that, you could do like at the supermarket, scan it once and then come in here and change the quantity level. We do track things that are scanned versus things that were manually entered as an audit that's available for a transportation manager to look at, just in case. Also, 2 other things I scanned, you'll see there are exceptions. So I scanned a Snickers box, and I also scanned a Reese's Fast Break, and you'll see that those are exceptions. They do not go with this invoice, and it's just letting me know that. So we're recording the things that happened out there to resolve that type of stuff. So let's take care of our basic box gold though. I'm going to go back into the scanning, and I'm going to scan one more time to just even that out, and I'm going to hit submit. And now you'll see that entry has moved off the screen because it is now totally accounted for. So whenever your quantity that you've scanned is equal to the quantity expected, the shipped quantity, then it drops off of this screen just to keep things nice and tidy. And when I exit here, it takes me back to the main page. So that's how you can do some item level scanning. There are circumstances where even if you're scanning totes or containers, sometimes things need to be scanned at an item level, so that facility is built in also. And stay tuned for the next segment. Thank you.